Let's begin. €6,500 was invested for 3 years at compound interest. The interest rate for the first year was 5%. Now, we have a formula. F equals P brackets plus I times T. Now, what F1 stands for is what is the final amount at the end of year 1. Write down F1. Then write down the p-value. What's the p-value? 6,500. 1 plus, what percentage is it for the first year?
5%.
So, 0.05. How many years are we doing it for? 1 year at a time. Always to the power 1. What you get? What came? For question 5, first year.
6.
What you get?
6,855.
Okay, 6,825 on no cent. Okay, F2. How much money? What does F2 stand for? How much money do you have at the end of year 2? Now, at the start you have your 6,825. Because the end of year 1 is the same as the start of year 2. How much do we add on? What percentage?
0.08.
0.08. How many years are we doing it for?
1.
Even though it's year 2, we're only measuring it from the start of year 2 to the end of year 2, which is 1 year. Yeah, what you get?
7,371.
7,371. Any cent? No. Anybody else get that number?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, F3 finally. How much do we make in the third year? How much money do we have at the start of the third year, Charlie?
We have
Look at the board.
7,371.
371, yeah. What percentage is it for the third year?
It's 12%.
12%. So how do you write 12%?
0.12.
And how many, what power is here?
It's power 1.
And what do we get?
8,225 and 53 cents.
8,225.
So 55.
55. Any cent?
52.
52 cents. Okay, how many people got that one out? Clear as a whistle, all 3 years. Okay, most people. Okay, now what about question 7? Question 7 is the same. Question 7 is so similar that I can basically more or less just do this. You ready for this? This is question 7 is so similar. I can do this. I can just rub out this part here. I can leave the ones. I can just rub out this part here, this part here, this part here, and you can see it's exactly the same question. Just got to fill in my numbers. Okay, ready? Now look at this. 2 seconds. Okay, it's caught up to me now. Okay, so what value do we start off with in question 7?
15,000.
Start off with 15,000. What percentage do we add on in the first year?
8.
And then put that into the calculator. What do we get?
16,200.
16,200.
Yeah.
Okay. How much do we start off in the second year, Aaron?
Second year.
It's on the board. You end the first year with 16,200. Therefore,
Second year with 16,200.
perfect. What percentage for the second year?
It's 1.012.
0.12. Put that into the calculator. What do we get? Anybody? 18,140. 44, thank you. Now, once you get to 44 there, Ushin, what do we start off the third year with? And then what happens then? How much percent do we add on? 9%. And then?
So, about...
Sorry, somebody?
19,766.96.
96. Okay, there we go, guys. Question